Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing your data and power because interruptions break updates. First, backup photos, contacts, and app data to cloud or a local drive. Make sure you can restore. Once done, charge the phone to at least 50% and connect to a strong Wi-Fi. You need about 2 GB free storage for the package. Then verify the exact Vivo Y20 model and current Android build, knowing that avoids installing the wrong firmware and prevents bricking. You now fetch and apply the update. First, check Settings System Update for an OTA. If available, tap Download and wait until the file completes. If OTA is unavailable, download the exact firmware for your Vivo Y20 model, verify file checksum, then move it to root storage. Use Local Update in Settings or Boot to Recovery to apply the package. During installation, do not interrupt power or network. Interruption can corrupt the system and force a recovery. You finish by validating the update and restoring normal use. After the reboot, confirm the new build in settings about phone and test calls, Wi-Fi, camera, and sensors. This proves stability. If apps misbehave, clear the cache partition and reinstall problematic apps because leftover data often causes crashes. If the device won't boot or gets stuck in a loop, enter recovery to perform a factory reset or reflash the exact firmware. That single troubleshooting move fixes most serious failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.